Want to know which of your Rockstar residents or employees are earning you rave reviews on Google? Let's dive into how you can uncover exactly who's getting those thumbs up. First, the most direct method requires a little detective work. Carefully read through each Google review. Look for specific names mentioned by the reviewer. Customers often shout out employees or residents by name when they've had a particularly great experience. Keep a running tally in a spreadsheet or document. Next, consider implementing a system where employees or residents are encouraged to mention their name to customers and ask them to include it in the review. This makes tracking a breeze. You can also create unique tracking links or QR codes for each employee that directs to your Google review page. A QR code will make it easy for the customer to leave a review. This allows you to directly attribute reviews to specific individuals. Some third-party reputation management platforms offer review tracking features that identify employees based on keywords or patterns in reviews. By implementing these strategies, you'll gain valuable insights into individual performance, boost morale with well-deserved recognition, and pinpoint areas for improvement in customer service. Now you can see exactly who's shining.